am going to show you how to fix your mic if it's not working. First, you need to make sure that your mic is connected properly. As you can see here, these are 3 types of mics. First one is headset with built-in mic and it's connected with USB input, so connect it easily. Second is Boya mic and it's a 3.5 jack input and you connect it in this input in your motherboard. The third one is earphones and it's a 3.5 mm too. But if you connected it the same way as the Boya mic, you will be speaking from the speaker part, not the mic one. So to fix this, you will need to buy this splitter. This will convert the earphones to a separated mic and speaker. And you will be able to speak and listen normally with the earphones. After you make sure you connected your mic properly, now go to Windows Settings and go to Privacy, then Microphone. Click on the Change button and set it to On. And the Allow Apps option too, set it to On. After that, go to Setting Main and go to System. Then go to Sounds. You will see Output and Input Device. Set the output to your speaker. And on the input, make sure your mic is selected. As you can see, when I make sound on my mic, this parameter moves. If your mic is not here, go to Manage Sound Devices and go down to Input. You will see all input devices, and if your mic is here and it's not working, make sure you enable it. Go to Sound Setting. You can right-click on the speaker icon and sounds, and you can go to it from the control panel. Go to Recording tab. Make sure your mic is showed here and it's set to Enabled. Go to Levels and set Sound to 100. And Boost to 30 if there is boost. Then Apply and OK. So guys, that was today's video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.